Faster than traditional mechanical switches, Razer Linear Optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 15 to 30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 mm. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma, fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30-plus partners, supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality, aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Tournament-ready design. A Tenkeyless design with a detachable USB-C cable provides a portable form factor for on-the-go gamers. Oil-resistant Doubleshot PBT Keycaps. Made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish less prone to long-term grime buildup. Fully programmable macros. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Top reviews from the United States. Fastest keyboard I've ever used. Great for gaming. The Tenkeyless is the best, gives you the most room with the compromise of not having a number pad. The optical switches on this keyboard are so responsive and quiet that I had to make sure to pay attention when I was typing so I didn't miss key accidentally. It definitely takes time to get used to, but it's worth it. Also has a detachable USB-C cable for travel or storage. Can be upgraded to the Phantom keycaps, and I believe you can also get a coiled USB-C cable as well for upgradability.